Chicktopia chick fans! So I've got exciting news for you all today. Guess what? Our chicks have started laying eggs, so the first eggs are here. Yay! Today is a special day at Chicktopia Farms. After 18 solid weeks of hard work, early mornings, careful feeding, vaccinations, cleaning, and constant monitoring, our new flock has officially started laying eggs. Yes! This moment reminds us that every small daily effort matters. There were days when progress felt slow, but the team stayed committed to giving these birds the best care possible. We are grateful to God for bringing us this far and thankful to every member of the Chicktopia Farms team for their dedication and patience throughout the rearing period. Seeing these first eggs is more than just the start of production. It is the beginning of a new chapter for this flock and another step forward in our journey as poultry farmers. To our supporters and followers, thank you for being part of this journey. We look forward to sharing the progress of this flock as production increases in the coming weeks. The future is bright and we are excited for what lies ahead. Welcome to the laying phase. Chicktopia Farms Limited, growing excellence one egg at a time. Ta-da!
Что за бизнес, сука? 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 Что за бизнес, сука?
Что за бизнес?